Hi, dear customer. Again, me, Miss Casey from QLQ company. Okay. Now I'm going to explain to you the third advantage for this machine. The third advantage for this machine is about electronical charger. For this machine, 1 kilo can save about 0.5 degree electricity charger. So for the details, if you are interested, you can send email to me. I will teach you how to calculate and save this cost. So for electricity, we can save. Okay. And the fourth advantage is about the factory length. Why? You can see how small for this machine. It's very small than old model, than traditional model. So it means the machine occupying the factory place is very less. By this size, you can save your factory space. If you pay the money to rent the factory, it means can save your production cost also. So this is the fourth advantage for this machine. Now for the fifth advantage of this machine is about the after-sales service. Let me turn around for this machine and show to you. For this machine, you can see there have the display. So for all the problem on the machine, from the machine will be shown on the display. Okay, on the display, your worker can understand what is the problem from the display easily and solve it very quickly. So this is the fifth advantage. And for example, if any wire broken, then the display will show the wire is broken. Okay, and you can check it. Your worker can check it very quickly. Okay, so this is the fifth advantage. Now let me explain another advantage in another video. Thank you.